Picture this. You're driving through the countryside and suddenly, there it is. A sleek, all-black barndominium standing bold against the landscape like a modern monolith. It's striking. It's dramatic. It's absolutely everywhere on Instagram and TikTok right now. But here's the question nobody's asking. Is that stunning black exterior going to turn your dream home into a solar oven? Today, we're diving deep into the all-black barndominium trend that's exploding in 2026. I'm going to show you why everyone's obsessed with this look, give you an honest breakdown of the heat concerns, and reveal the truth about whether you'll be cooking inside your own home or living comfortably. Stick around till the end, because I'm sharing real numbers on cooling costs and the solutions that actually work. But first, if you love bold home designs and want honest information without the hype, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss our content. Drop a comment and tell me, would you go all black or is it too risky? Let's get into it. Why all black barndominiums are trending in 2026. Let's talk about why all black barndominiums have become the hottest design request builders are getting right now. According to recent industry reports, black barndominiums, particularly tricorn black from Sherwin-Williams metal coatings, are the most common dark siding color sold in 2025 going into 2026. This isn't just a passing fad, it's a full-blown movement. The modern farmhouse aesthetic has dominated for years with crisp white siding and black trim. But homeowners are flipping that script entirely. They're going all in with black-on-black designs that create a bold, minimalist statement. The look is sophisticated, contemporary, and unlike anything your neighbors have. When done right, these buildings look like something out of an architectural magazine. Black barndominiums work incredibly well in diverse settings. They blend beautifully into wooded areas where the dark exterior mirrors the tree line. They create stunning contrast on open farmland against green pastures and blue skies. They even hold their own in upscale suburban developments where modern architecture is appreciated. The versatility is part of the appeal. Design experts are listing black barndominiums among the most popular styles for high-end builds in 2026. For anyone wanting a modern farmhouse aesthetic with a luxury edge, this has become the go-to look. The bold dark siding makes a contemporary statement while maintaining that barndominium character everyone loves. The aesthetic advantage. There's no denying the visual impact. An all-black barndominium creates incredible curb appeal that turns heads. The monochromatic color scheme highlights the clean lines and architectural features of the building. Every angle, every detail stands out against that dark backdrop. Most homeowners don't go completely stark. They're adding wood accents and warm tones like natural cedar beams, oak porch posts, or reclaimed timber trim. This combination of black steel and natural wood creates a perfect balance between modern and inviting. The black provides the contemporary edge while the wood keeps it from feeling too industrial or cold. Black metal paired with standing seam roofing, matte finishes, and minimalist details creates a timeless look that photographs beautifully. This is one reason the style dominates social media. These buildings are genuinely photogenic. Sunset photos, snow-covered landscapes, fall foliage backgrounds, they all make black barndominiums look absolutely stunning. Inside, the contrast continues to work magic. Most owners use the bold black exterior as a backdrop and keep interiors bright and airy. Vaulted ceilings, oversized windows, and open floor plans flood the space with natural light. White walls, light wood floors, and minimal decor create a fresh, modern interior that doesn't feel dark at all despite the exterior. The heat concern. Let's get real. Now here's where we need to have an honest conversation. Dark colors absorb more heat than light colors. That's basic physics. So the big question is, will an all-black barndominium turn into an oven during summer months? The short answer is, it depends entirely on how it's built. Research from a U.S. Department of Energy found that white roofs can be up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than black roofs under the same conditions. That's a massive temperature difference on the surface. Dark-colored surfaces like black metal can absorb significantly more sunlight and heat than lighter alternatives. A black metal roof might reach surface temperatures around 145 degrees on a hot summer day, while black asphalt shingles can soar to 168 degrees. Metal conducts heat approximately 400 times faster than wood. This means that without proper mitigation strategies, heat from that black exterior can transfer into your building quickly. Large surface areas exposed to direct sunlight exacerbate heat absorption, especially during peak sunshine hours. But here's the critical truth that most people miss. Color is only one factor. The real determinants of interior temperature are insulation, ventilation, and reflective coatings. An all-black barndominium with proper construction can actually be cooler inside than a white building with poor insulation. The solutions that actually work. Let's break down exactly how to build an all-black barndominium that looks stunning without overheating. Insulation is absolutely non-negotiable. You need premium insulation, and spray foam is the gold standard for metal buildings. Closed-cell spray foam provides R values ranging from 6 to 7 per inch and creates an airtight seal that prevents heat transfer. This insulation acts as a barrier, keeping absorbed heat on the exterior side and preventing it from entering your living space. Pay special attention to your attic or ceiling area. Since heat rises and comes from above, a properly insulated attic allows you to stay cool even when it's scorching outside. This also helps you stay warm during winter while saving money on heating and cooling costs. If you're building new, invest in quality insulation from the start. If you have an older metal building, sometimes replacing inadequate insulation is more cost-effective than paying higher electric bills forever. Reflective barrier insulation is specifically designed for metal buildings. These barriers reflect radiant heat away from the interior rather than absorbing it. Combined with traditional insulation, this creates a dual-layer defense against heat. Ventilation is the second critical component. Proper roof ventilation through ridge vents or gable vents regulates heat retention and dissipation. Without adequate ventilation, heat gets trapped in your attic like an oven, making your home uncomfortably hot regardless of exterior color. Good ventilation allows hot air to escape and promotes air circulation that maintains comfortable indoor temperatures. Many builders now include above-sheathing ventilation systems that allow air to flow between roof sheathing and insulation, then release it outside. This means less heat energy is absorbed by your home interior. Gravity vents can cycle air through your building without using additional electricity, maintaining comfortable temperatures at no extra operational cost. Reflective coatings are game changers for black metal buildings. Modern cool roof technology with high solar reflectance index ratings can reduce roof surface temperatures by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit compared to uncoated dark materials. These advanced coatings reflect sunlight away from the building rather than absorbing it, even on black surfaces. Cool metal roofs with reflective coatings can achieve up to 25% reduction in cooling costs while maintaining the black aesthetic you want. The coatings also help black metal roofs fade less over time, protecting both your home and your curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows are essential. High-performance windows with proper glazing prevent heat gain while allowing natural light. Install window awnings or overhangs on south and west-facing exposures to shade windows during peak sun hours. The real cost impact. Let's talk numbers because this is where the rubber meets the road. What does it actually cost to cool an all-black barndominium compared to a lighter-colored one? With proper insulation and reflective coatings, the difference in cooling costs between black and light-colored barndominiums can be as little as 5 to 10%. That might translate to an extra $50 to $150 per year in hot climates, which is far less than most people fear. Without proper insulation, you're looking at cooling cost increases of 15 to 25% or more compared to light-color buildings. In hot climates like Texas, Arizona, or Florida, this could mean an extra $300 to $600 annually in electricity bills. The upfront investment in quality insulation, reflective coatings, and proper ventilation typically ranges from $3,000 to $8,000 extra for a 2,000 square foot barndominium. However, this investment pays for itself through reduced energy costs within 5 to 10 years, and you enjoy comfortable living immediately. Climate matters significantly. In cooler climates or areas with mild summers, an all-black barndominium presents almost no cooling challenges. In fact, the heat absorption can be beneficial during cooler months, slightly reducing heating costs. In hot, sunny climates, the mitigation strategies become essential rather than optional. What real owners are saying. Interestingly, TikTok and social media show mixed real-world experiences. Some owners post videos titled, "Why We Regret Building a Black Barndominium," while others say they're obsessed with our all-black house and in love with their black barndos. The difference? Those who regret it typically didn't invest in adequate insulation or reflective coatings. They went for the aesthetic without the proper construction fundamentals. Those who love their black barndominiums almost universally mention having spray foam insulation, good ventilation, and energy-efficient HVAC systems. One common thread among happy black barndominium owners: they don't rely solely on aesthetics. They combine the bold exterior with smart building science. Design variations worth considering. If you love the black aesthetic but want to hedge your bets on heat, consider these popular variations. Black siding with a lighter roof like galvanized silver, copper tone, or even white significantly reduces overall heat absorption since the roof receives the most direct sunlight. Black and wood combinations where you use black metal on most surfaces but incorporate natural wood on gables, porches, or accent walls. This breaks up the black expanse while adding warmth and reducing total heat-absorbing surface area. Charcoal or dark gray instead of pure black. These colors still provide dramatic impact and modern aesthetics, but absorb slightly less heat than true black. Black with strategic shading through covered porches, extended eaves, or landscaping with trees positioned to shade walls during peak sun hours. Is it right for you? An all-black barndominium can be absolutely stunning and perfectly comfortable if built correctly. This isn't a design you can cheap out on. The look demands investment in proper construction fundamentals. This is perfect for you if you want a bold, modern aesthetic that stands out. You're willing to invest in quality insulation and reflective coatings. You're building in a moderate climate or can afford proper cooling systems. You understand that dark exteriors require proper construction, and you're committed to building it right the first time. This might not be for you if you're on an extremely tight budget and can't afford proper insulation. You're building in a brutally hot climate and can't invest in cooling infrastructure. You're concerned about resale value in conservative markets that prefer traditional colors, or you're not willing to do the research and work with builders who understand metal building science. The all-black barndominium trend isn't going anywhere in 2026. It's a legitimate design movement backed by modern building technology that makes it practical, but it requires doing it right. Cut corners on insulation or ventilation, and you'll regret it every summer. Invest in proper construction, and you'll have a stunning, comfortable home that turns heads for decades. The all-black barndominium trend is stunning, bold, and absolutely achievable without turning your home into an overheating nightmare. The key is understanding that color is just one factor. Insulation, ventilation, and reflective coatings are what actually determine your interior comfort and cooling costs. If you're seriously considering this look, talk to builders experienced with metal buildings in your climate. Get detailed quotes that include spray foam insulation, reflective coatings, and proper ventilation systems. Don't let anyone convince you that these are optional extras. They're essential components of a successful black barndominium. So tell me in the comments, are you team all black, or does this trend concern you? Have you seen black barndominiums in person? What's your dream exterior color? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest breakdowns of barndominium trends, and share this with anyone considering a black build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.